DIY lash clusters make getting my lashes done so easy, so simple. I love that I can customize them, go with whatever look I'm feeling for the day, and it's all right here. I can use these. They are 10 millimeters up to 16. They're crazy easy to use. They are a nice thin band, so I'm going to go ahead and show you just how easy it is to customize these and make them your own. So I go ahead and start with this awesome lock and bond right here. So the first step I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take the bond side, and then I'm going to run it through my lashes. So this is instead of glue. It actually works as a bonding agent. You go ahead and put it through kind of just like a mascara, and then this is what is going to keep your lashes on. The next step is my favorite part because this is where you get to customize your lashes. So I'm kind of feeling like a little bit more natural look today. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the 10s and start applying them. So they do have this really nice thin band here. Check this out. They are really super easy to apply. I'm going to go ahead and pop them right on there. Whoops. Get that back on there, little dude. So then I'm going to go ahead and fill them all in and show you just how amazing they look. All right, so now I have the lashes on. I'm gonna go ahead and lock these in place. So they are a nice and long lasting lash for me. And check out the difference. So here's the lashes, here's the natural side. I'm absolutely loving these. They're just so simple. They blend in really seamlessly. They are really gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead, finish my lashes, and show you the finished look. Okay, so here is the finished look, and I'm obsessed with these because I can totally customize these to be as fierce and as fabulous as I want or as natural as I need each day. So this is just kind of my daily look. I really do love these. They're so easy to put on and they are just staying in place. Like, I love them. They're really simple, so easy to do, and they just look really natural as well. That's what I love about these lashes. They are natural looking, but you can make them as fierce and fabulous, as customized as you want, and they are just so easy to use, and they are absolutely gorgeous. Seriously, I love them, the lightweight, the everything about them. They are absolutely amazing, and you can see the results for yourself.